Good evening, slash whenever you guys are watching this. You remember this throwback from 2017? And my sudden obsession with street racing that year? Yeah, I am bringing this back. I am bringing back the custom fan-made build series, but instead of putting it on my channel, like I did way back when, I will be making cars that will be personalized the way you want them. This game has a pretty expansive, in particular, is a pretty expansive customization list. Spoilers, bumpers, body kits, rims. I will probably post a demonstration video just to show you guys what it looks like. Then I can personalize it to however, whatever you want. I'll be doing it with the customized, personalized custom car series among 3 games. Midnight Club Los Angeles will be one of them. And here are the cars that you see on the screen. I'll be posting a link to all 3 of the game websites. I will be using Need for Speed Most Wanted 2005. Granted, 36. I'm still working through the story of that game. I'm on Blacklist 10, so I may not have as much of a selection as Midnight Club LA, which I've already beaten twice back in 2017. And the third game is 3D tuning. Now, for all you guys have heard, 3D tuning pretty much updates every day with new cars to modify. I will be posting links to all 3 websites for customized fan-made paint scheme cars or whatever. I will personalize them however you want. You just got to contact me if you want new wallpaper or just a little something just cuz. And make sure you put what you want in the description or in the comments below, or message me and I will make something you make your car. So yeah, I'm bringing this back from the dead.